Hey guys, what's up? This is Nold again with another Switch repair. And yeah, I started off with the Switch. It has no video when docking. So normally that's the P13 USB chip that fails. This little guy over here. So I swapped it out and still no video. So I thought, okay, maybe it's a USB port, even though it looked good. And I pulled out the USB port, and as you can see, these are the pads that are under the USB port, and there are quite a few ripped off. And I already wondered why the USB port looked a little bit weird. And yeah, the brown pads you can see, they cleanly pulled off. And I'm pretty sure that's not my fault, since this is not the first USB port I'm unsoldering. Okay, so what we are going to do is we need to repair all of those traces. And as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 traces missing. And this one over here is ground, so we don't really need to fix this, since we already have ground on like this pin and probably some more. But yeah, I guess all of these need to be fixed. Maybe even not this one because it's voltage. It also comes over this pin, but yeah, I will fix all of these now. We're starting by scratching off the solder mask of these wires. So we are lucky. We basically, you can see all those green bubbles up here. Those are all wires, and so we can just scratch off the solder mask, and then we can solder to them. We'll give it a little swipe with some IPA. And then add some flux and pre-solder all of these. So let's start running the jumper wires. Okay, so this doesn't look too bad. I have no idea if this will work. And since I don't have a real solder mask, I'm going to use nail polish. Yeah, I will use that to basically glue down these little wires and just hope for the best. Okay, let's try to glue these suckers down. So what I'm going to do now is trim off the ends of the wires again. I probably should have done this in the first place, because now it will be a little bit harder to do. truth. Okay. As you can probably see, yeah, these pins are a little bit too high to make good connection right now. We don't really want to connect to the pads, so we can actually, of course, solder these by hand. But I have no idea if this will be successful. I guess the only way is to try it out and see if the pads on the other side made a good connection. All I can do is plug this in a switch and then put it to a docking station and see if it works. And yeah, I will report back to you guys. Good news, folks. This thing is actually working. I can't believe it myself. I definitely need to get some thinner manual wire for the next time. Or maybe just use some stranded wire and just use a single core of that. I still need to do some more testing to see if everything still works, but besides that, I'm very happy with this repair. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.